The reason why I'm making this video is because starting today, March 30th, the vaccine can be given to anybody age 16 and above in the state of Minnesota. And prior to that, you had to meet certain age cutoffs or have some medical conditions that put you at a higher risk of getting severe infections with COVID-19. It was also people who worked in the healthcare field. I took the vaccine back in January, and then I took my second shot back starting of February. And to be honest, I was initially hesitant too, because I wanted to see the data behind the vaccines, and I had some questions that I needed to be answered. And when I got those questions answered, I went ahead and signed myself up. Alhamdulillah, I didn't have any problems with it, and a lot of people, including a lot of my patients who are sick and elderly, have not had any problems with it. Just to let you know about my experience, when I got the first shot, it felt like any other shot that I've gotten in the past. And I didn't have any problems other than a sore arm for a day. When I got my second shot, I had a little bit more of a reaction, as expected, because the vaccine is working. And some of the symptoms that I had were a little bit of chills, a little bit of body aches, and a little bit of fatigue for about a day and a half. But then, alhamdulillah, I didn't have any other issues. And that's been the experience for most people who got the vaccine. Vaccines aren't anything new. Vaccines have been around for decades. People have been getting vaccinated against polio, people get vaccinated against measles. Almost all of you have probably gotten them and haven't had any problems with them. Right now, Ramadan is coming up in a couple of weeks, and we want to go to Tarawih. We're trying to hang out and have a good time during Eid, and that's just a couple of weeks away. So please, please, please get vaccinated. If you have any questions, any concerns, anything that you want me to answer in another video, I'll be doing these a little bit more regularly, inshallah.